Yeah, hi traders. How we doing? It's been a long time. So this is winning traders as usual, and so I'm going to give us analysis on four markets: USDPY, USDCAD, EURUSD, and CHFJPY. Okay, so on USDPY, this is a daily chart. So let's go to the weekly. This is the end of the week. Now you can see now that this market has been on a downtrend, very clearly on a downtrend, and the market has broken out of this horizontal level. As you can see, check the horizontal level very well. This horizontal line on top is an indication of this week, and this one below is an indication of this body. So the market has broken out of it, and the market is retracing towards it. So I'm expecting that the market will retrace towards it. Yes, I'm expecting the market to retrace towards it. Then if we go to the daily chart, this is the level, this line here and this line here. So the market can retrace towards this area, give us a go sell signal. Now that sell signal will be in form of a bearish pin bar, a very clear one, not an indecisive one. An indecisive bearish pin bar looks like the body is not going to form very well. It's going to have a body intercepted with wick on below. If it's not very clear, it's best we just avoid it. So the market gives us, if the market gives us a bearish pin bar on a daily chart or on the 4 hours time frame, then we're looking to sell down here. And don't forget, the overall trend is bearish. This is a strong horizontal level. The market retraces back to it and give us a very clear sell signal. That is a confirmation, a bearish pin bar, a very clear one on the daily or on the 4 hours time frame. Then we are selling towards it. Now if you ask me why I don't go below 4 hours, is that oftentimes this strategy I use oftentimes fail on any time frame below 4 hours. It do work also in 1 hour and 30 minutes, but with experience I've found out that it's best I trade it on daily time frame and on 4 hours time frame. So just to avoid unnecessary mistakes and unnecessary loss also from your side, just trade it on a daily time frame or the 4 hours time frame. So that's a trade signal for USDPY. So let's go to the next one, the USD card. Let's check the weekly chart. Yes, since this is the end of the week. Now, as you can see that this market has been giving us a kind of a bearish momentum here, reacting to this level here, as you can see here. Now the market gave us a bearish momentum. Now the market reacted back to it. Now let's go back to the daily. Now the market showed us something interesting. The market got to this area with a bullish bar, got to this area. Anytime you see a signal like this on the chart, with experience I've learned that it is an indecisive bar, or is a sign of exhaustion, that the current trend is exhausted. Now you have more confidence to that if it happens very close to an horizontal area. Are you getting me? To an area where is an horizontal area. And smart money concept traders, they are going to call this place a order block. That is the last block before a move that causes a break of structure. So that aspect I'm going to teach us later. I'm still working on it. I'm learning it with the assistance of a coach. Now when I win with it on a demo and on a live chat, then I will introduce it to winning traders also. So when you see this signal, this candlestick in between is a symbol of exhaustion. That is, the current trend is exhausted and it's about, or is likely to change trend. And as you can see, there was a bearish momentum, there's a bearish bar after that. So that gave us it, and that was why I entered into the trade. When the market gave me this, it was a confirmation to me that okay, the bearish about to take charge. So I entered into it. So you can as well enter into this trade if the risk is if you are comfortable with the risk, if you can accommodate the risk, if you can afford to lose a trade and not affecting you. So you can still enter. Then I'm looking to selling towards this area. Selling towards this area. That's what I'm looking selling towards to. Move this. Yeah, good. So selling towards this area. If the market gives me any selling towards this area majorly, I'll just keep that simple. So simple. He started from here, he ended here, move towards this area. However, likely the market may pull more than that, but just for safety, that's the obvious thing on the chart. What's this chart showing you? So what the chart showing us is the market, it took off from here. So just sell to this area. Just sell to this area. So that is the second one. Then for the Euro USD, let's go to the weekly chart. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see that the market has started a momentum of a bullish trend. How do we know that? You can see here the market broke down, retraced, continued, retraced, continued. Then from here, market took it up, broke this high, broke this level, market went up again, broke this second level. When the market broke those two levels, the market gives us an indication that it's likely it has changed trend. The market has given us an indication that it has changed trend. And the market has now moved to another level. If you can see, this is a level. Let's see it better on the daily chart. This is the level, as you can see, the market is close to it. And now the market has shown us that the market is going on a bullish momentum. So, guys, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a first, number one, the market should break out of this level on a daily chart. Break out of this level, retrace back, then the market gives us a buy signal on the daily chart or on the 4 hours time frame. That is a bullish pin bar. The market can give us a bullish pin bar on the daily chart on the 4 hour time frame. Then I'm buying towards this next level. So just keeping simple as that. It gives us a bullish pin bar or buy towards this level. It's as simple as that. So that's for Euro USD. So to make you get it, it's better if you can listen to this video again and just write out the action plan. If the market do this, I'll do this. If the market do this, I'll do this. You can get a book and a pen and just put it down. So when the market resumes, that book, what you've written down, is going to be like an accountability. It's going to serve as an accountability for your actions in the market. You have to plan your action in advance, and when the market starts, you act accordingly. Now, if you fail, even though you follow the plan, you've displayed a strong character. You've displayed the characteristics of features of a successful trader. Those are the things that successful traders do. I have experience with so many of them. I've met with so many successful traders, and I can tell you one thing for sure: this game is not a joke. This trading is not a joke. Most of them, they plan their trades ahead and they stick to the plan. When they fail, they write it down, they get back to their plan and they ask themselves questions and they work and get better on the plan and they get back to the market. That's how they do it. They plan the trade and they trade the plan. So if you can do that, that will also help you. Then CHFJPY, let's go to the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly chart, the market is showing a very shiny. It wants to go down. How do I know this? If you go to the monthly chart, checking the monthly chart very well, the market is showing a tilt. This market is giving us an indication that it's likely to go downward. And if you can see, the market has ranged. This ranging means the market has gathered a lot of momentum, just like a band, that is stretched. And so when you release it, it goes with speed. So the market has ranged for a long time. If you go to the daily chart, you see it better. You can see the range. You can see the area of the range. The market has ranged. So the market interestingly broke out of this range. Broke out of this also this level also. If you look at it, it broke out. This is the level it broke out of this level. Okay, so interestingly, Market broke out of the level, and the market is retracing backward. The market first give me a fake entry, might give me a bearish pin bar. I entered, I experienced a loss. It's part of it. So this level now, if the market can give us any bearish, a very clear bearish pin bar as a sell signal, a very clear one. The market gives us a very clear one, then I'm selling to this. I'm selling to this area. Market give me a clear bearish pin bar. I'm selling to this area. Now, because I've given you 4 trade ideas, doesn't mean that I'm going to enter all of them. No, that doesn't mean I don't enter all of them. Oftentimes, I'm always in a trade, just one trade at a time. Now, if the trade moves in my favor and I move my stop loss to break even based on the market structure, then I can enter another trade. But if I've not moved my stop loss to break even to protect my capital, dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm not entering another trade, because the market has taught me to experience that anything can happen in the market. If you enter your trades, almost all of them can just go against you just at once, and you can see a lot of money that you've lost. So because of that, in the market, not in a trade, not in one market, in the totality of the market, don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. In totality, either USDJPY, USDCAD, all of them together, the money you're putting inside the FX market at a time, make sure that you can afford to lose it. The one you're putting at a time. If you enter a trade, until that trade moves for you and give you a very clear structure that you can move your stop loss to break even, then can you enter another trade. I'm going to teach us how to move a stop loss to break even in another class, hopefully next class, so that this video will not be too long. I'll write that down. Okay, so that is it. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to always get more videos from the channel, so I don't miss out, and you can follow me. I follow a successful trading strategy, and my mindset is top notch. And my risk reward, I will teach you more also about risk reward as risk management, my mindset, and my strategy. Those 3 things are very, very important. I'm also go to follow this channel to always get it, and how to do that is to subscribe, and do that now. Subscribe now. Also like this video. Also make sure you like it. And if you have anyone also who is a trader that you feel that can benefit also, please kindly share the video. It's going to be helpful. And if you have any comments, anything you want to tell me, please drop it in the comments box below. I'll be so willing and ready to respond to your comments, your questions. Your success is my success. Traders, I wish you a successful trading week ahead. Bye.